Hello and welcome to my first video. I'm the original gamer. Is it original gamer? I'm not 100% sure. And, you know what? 1 second. I am original gamer with a 3. So yeah, this is my first video. I'm gonna hopefully win some money. This is not like my 7th attempt, and I'm not just lost half my bank, but see if we can kill this guy and earn some up. Right. Probably not, but whoa, it's worth a shot. Okay, yeah, sure. Need them anyway, I suppose. Come on, I don't want to lose this, otherwise I've lost like everything I own. Oh, I've lost. Wounded. Nope. Possibilities. Oh. 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 Oh, lost, am I? Oh. Okay, wounded. Just lost most of my items, but oh well, I'll win that back. I currently have near to nothing now, so should be alright to carry on this, I guess. But I'll probably be doing some guides as well, so possibly reset lamps. Not 100% sure. Yeah, thanks for watching my first video. Like or comment or something. I don't know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.